In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Canva posters and text effects. Open Canva and head to the templates area on the home page. This is the quickest way to start with a solid foundation instead of building from a blank page. Templates are organized by purpose and style, so you can quickly get inspired and find a layout that already does most of the heavy lifting for you. In the search bar within templates, type poster. This narrows everything down to poster-friendly designs with proper dimensions and layout structure. If you have a theme in mind, like event, sale, educational, or announcement, use the search term alongside poster to refine what you see. Take a moment here to notice the visual tone you want: bold and high contrast for attention-grabbing flyers, or minimal and elegant for a clean, professional look. Browse through the options and select a template that matches your message and audience. Pay attention to elements like image placement, white space, and font pairing. Even if the colors or photos aren't perfect yet, focus on the layout first. You can change the visuals later. Choosing a design that's close to your goal will save you time. Click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. This brings up your working canvas with all the pieces ready to modify. The left sidebar holds assets and tools. The top toolbar controls formatting for whatever you've selected. Now you can edit it. Replace placeholder text with your own headline, subhead, and details. Keep text concise and ensure the most important information sits at the top or center where eyes land first. Adjust colors to fit your brand or theme. High contrast between text and background dramatically improves readability. If the template includes images, swap them for your own, or choose royalty-free photos from Canva's library that reinforce your message. Click the text you want to style. When a text box is selected, the top toolbar activates all the controls you need. You can change font, size, color, spacing, and alignment. Aim for clear hierarchy: a bold headline, a slightly smaller subhead, and simple body text. Click on Effects in the toolbar to open Canva's Text Effects panel. This is where you can add depth and personality without overcomplicating the design. Then select the effect you like. Try shadow for subtle depth, lift for a soft pop, hollow or splice for a retro vibe, neon for glow, or curve for circular layouts. After choosing one, fine-tune settings such as intensity, offset, direction, blur, or color to match your background and maintain legibility. Preview your poster at full size, make small tweaks to spacing and alignment, and you're done.